How to watch live football on YouTube TV using your LG Smart TV. You can enjoy live football games on your LG Smart TV by accessing YouTube TV through the native app or by casting content from another device. Here's how to do both. Option number 1, using the YouTube TV app on your LG Smart TV. Check compatibility. Ensure your LG Smart TV is from 2016 or later, as YouTube TV is compatible with these models. Number 2, connect to the internet. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, Gear icon, Network, Wi-Fi connection or wired connection to connect to your network. Number 3, access the LG content. Press the home button again. Select LG Content Store from the menu. Number 4, search for YouTube TV. Use the search function to find YouTube TV. Number 5, install the app. Select the YouTube TV app and click Install. Number 6, launch and sign in. Open the app and sign in with your YouTube TV credentials. Option number 2, casting YouTube TV content to your LG Smart TV. Number 1, ensure both devices are on the same network. Connect your LG Smart TV and casting device to the same Wi-Fi network. Number 2, cast from a mobile device. For iOS devices, open the YouTube TV app, tap the AirPlay icon and select your LG TV. For Android devices, open the YouTube TV app, tap the cast icon and choose your LG TV. Cast from a computer. Open the YouTube TV website in Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner and select Cast. Choose your LG TV from the list.